Do you really think that like our school, how we have been working in this organization together? So as Miss International, right? Absolutely. Because see, the employees wages. Well, see, what I feel is school has used to maintain proper routine, right? And here also at the Hey, Yasha ma'am, do you remember our school days? How we used to learn so many things, and now we are working in this organization together. So as we are getting recorded, I am really happy to share so many things with you all. So what you'd like to say about the school days and now how you have enhanced yourself from that part to this part?
Oh, that's a long journey. But like if I say there has been a change, then I'll say no, because we are still in the same field. We were learning in the school, we are still learning every day in DBHS International. We are giving education, we are connected with trainers as we are connected with our teachers, and we have learners as we used to be. And we are learning every day from our seniors, from the learners themselves, from our associate members, how hard they are working, as well as the trainers, right?
Exactly. As you brought up the topic about the trainer, I must say Tuhin sir is doing an amazing job. And he is too good when it comes to training. And I hope that the learners, they are also very happy and delighted by the way he treats them. Students who are with us, the candidates who are with us, they are really impressed by our teacher.
Definitely. I couldn't agree more on this, because see, our trainers are the face of DBHS International, are the foundation of DBHS International, and how they are representing us is like, that's a different thing, because we always say our learner, come join our training session, first experience and then go for further steps, right? And how confidently we say that. That is only because of our trainer, our HSC training specialist.
Also, we must talk about Shantosh sir. He is also doing an amazing job too. And apart from that, we need to talk about the back-end people who are working with us, like Shweta ma'am, Sangram sir. They are also doing an amazing job, and they are the back support of DBHS International, right?
Absolutely. Because see, the employees are the pillars of any company. We know that. So definitely, each and everyone have a particular role. Each and every one of our team. That is why we have come this way, long way in such like short span of time, right? So definitely, you would agree. And as you discuss about school and everything, see, do you really think that we have changed a lot from being a student to
Of course, we have evolved literally from our school days to now, because we actually follow the same things, but we do it in a different way. We are still learning every day, as you said already. We are still learning every day, and now we are helping people to learn as well. So that is one of the biggest change that we have done so far. Other than that, we are following our daily routines, right? Like enhancing our skills, enhancing our educations. Day by day, every day we are learning with our learners actually.
And won't you agree that how our CEO sir tells us, go through the brochure, know every details about the courses and everything you need to learn, how he pushes us, reminds us of our teachers.
Exactly.
I do agree.
Yes. And I must talk about Ms. Devjani, who is our marketing head. She is also providing one of the most biggest support, that is marketing, for which DBHS International is gaining fame everywhere, right?
Absolutely. I think she is the binding agent of DBHS International. She is the bridge between each of our department, and how effortlessly she does her marketing is like beyond compliment. She is doing a great job. And why we are like keep Shweta ma'am.
I just talked about her. She is our back support for the DBHS International.
She makes amazing posters. She writes amazing captions. Oh my God.
Also, how she managed everything. It is also something we can learn from her. The way she managed everything.
And what about her associate in Senegal? Oh God, she is doing a fantastic
amazing job. Yes, true that.
Every day. And not only she keeps her job up to herself, she always, like, I really would like to discuss this with you. I don't know if you would know or not. Whenever I failed on doing any of my tasks, any be it any, like writing caption to talking with the candidate, she has always had my back. She gave me every, like, all the motivations and everything about
Same goes for me. Just today only I was having a conversation with her regarding the same thing, and as you said, she is there always. She is there always for us. So yes, it is very true. Also Tanaya ma'am bhi, and
you will know my associate member from Tanzania, Mr. Josem.
Yeah.
The entire deal happened. The first one to initiate, like, give that thought in my mind was Tanaya.
Oh really? I didn't know.
Yeah. She was the one.
Wow, that's great. That's great. I didn't know about that. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, she was the one. So, like, it's like we haven't. I feel that maybe the years have passed. We have come from school to company. We are working,
Yeah.
but still, the discipline, the learning, the punctuality, the what time management, everything remains the same.
Yeah.
And that is what we are carrying from school to this company.
Exactly. The discipline, the routine, and those things that we have learned, actually we
And
are
you, of
implementing. Because we are working at DBHS International, and we are getting like, we get to know people from around the globe. Like, we talk to so many people, so many candidates are there from different part of the world, and it has created a huge platform for us
Right.
to express ourselves, to talk, to improvise ourselves in many categories. Don't you agree?
Yeah, absolutely. See, we are learning as well as we are earning.
Very
Both
true.
the things
Very
are going
true.
parallelly.
Yeah.
It's a continuous process, and spread knowledge to spread awareness. That's it. That's why we do. That is
as
what
you
school
are,
does.
Yeah. So as you are also a part of DBHS International, you must know you are doing something incredible by being a part of DBHS International. Thank you.